जी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, क्या हाल चाल है आपका?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ, अल्लाह का शुक्र है।
तो थोड़ा सा अपने बारे में बताइएगा और अपनी लाइफ जर्नी के बारे में थोड़ा सा बताइएगा हमारे निश्तर के और बाकी नाजरीन को।
जी, मैं बचपन में ज़िद्दी था, अड़ जाता था बात, वालिदैन की जो बात अच्छी नहीं लगती थी मैं उसको रेजिस्ट करता था, बिकॉज आई थॉट आई हैड द राइट टू बी ज़िद्दी।
हम्म,
एंड एक दफ़ा families had a quarrel, neighbors had a quarrel with each other. A policeman came and took the FIR, and my relatives were on one side and the other party was on the other side. तो मेरी जो relative थे उनके जो बयानात थे, they looked like they were in fear. They were trembling to the authority of a policeman who was recording their statement. I, as a child, a first or second grader, was not appreciative of his lack of respect for my elders.
हाँ, okay.
He happened to run out of a piece of paper and he commanded me, बेटा जाओ और अपनी blank book लाओ, मुझे blank paper चाहिए.
हाँ,
I declined.
अच्छा,
उसके बाद he was disappointed and almost angry, and my relative became petrified that I have compromised their position. So my uncle picks me up and brings me to my satchel and said, "Open your book." I opened, I gave it to him because I cannot, as a child, I could be beat up otherwise, so I gave it away. Then I just ran on top of the rooftop and sat there for the rest of the evening till my father came from city. तो मैं रोता रहा ऊपर, तमाशा भी देखता रहा. And my father said, नीचे आओ. My mother could not get me down for the roof. मैं नीचे आ गया. कहता बेटा क्या हुआ? मैंने कहा मेरी बहुत बेइज्जती हुई आज. I'm 5 or 6 years old. मेरी बेइज्जती हो गई थी. क्या हुआ? मैंने कहा वो policeman was misbehaving with my relatives. कहता बड़े होकर क्या करोगे? मैंने कहा मैं सिपाही को ठीक कर दूंगा. That's the सोच I had. Revenge. Maybe it's just a जिबिलत में है. कहता बेटा सिपाही तो उस वक्त होगा भी नहीं, तो you won't have anybody to talk to. डॉक्टर बन जाना.
अच्छा,
उसकी बड़ी इज्जत होती है शहर में. Okay, I'll be a doctor.
wow,
Sitting in front of you, that incident made me a doctor.
wow, at a 5 and 6 year
Yes.
old. Wow.
I never had any attention other than my father tried to get civil servant. जो मैट्रिक में अच्छे नंबर आ गए थे. I could have gone any college in Pakistan. But I was determined, mashallah, I became a doctor. I remained focused. But doesn't mean I said no to other things in life. Played soccer in my medical school. And also I was editorial person in my pre-med. So I used to write the preamble and how to get ahead in life or aimlessness or being focused and all that. So that has helped me to this point. I wanted to live like Khatam Thai.
जी, तो हातिम ताई का बताइएगा थोड़ा सा. That was a very
जी
interesting
वो
story.
unlimited है कि he had unlimited resources. We have unlimited resources in our mind. So I'm a dreamer from day number one.
Wow, you are a dreamer.
I am an entrepreneur of the last degree, or I have always failed in my entrepreneurship. It has never deterred me.
Wow.
That sense that I had continued to be entrepreneur. This is one of the entrepreneurship